Hi, welcome to a new GoForIt video. Today I have here with me a BMW 116D Series F20 to do the service. Come and join me. For this service, the oil I will use the Castrol Edge 5W30 long life with BMW approval. The oil filter it will be from Mahle OX404D. The air filter it will be the LX957/3. The diesel filter it will be the KL736/1D, and for the cabin filter it will be the LA742. As usual, I will start with the air filter. In this case, we have some metallic clips that you need to pry all around, 2 in the front. Now 1, 2 in the rear. You have to take this rubber line from the support and you can now lift the cover. Of course, don't forget to unplug the sensor. Here, you just need to press the gray tab and pull it. You don't need to push it all the way out, just enough to remove the filter. Well, we have here a problem. Obviously, the new filter that I've got is not the correct one. So I will need to search what happened and source the right filter, and I will put here on the description, or maybe in the here in the video, I will put the right model that you need for this car. For the time being, I will proceed. I will clean all the dirt inside, and we can now insert the new filter. With the rubber grommets, push it in place on both sides. This one pushed all the way in. We can reconnect the sensor here. Just click it and push the gray tab down and refit the rubber hose on the clips. Next, I will go for the engine oil. Remove the cover. I will open the fuel plug as usual. The oil filter is right over here behind these cables. To remove the oil filter, you will need a 27 socket. You need to push these cables to the side and undo the cover. There we have the filter, and as you can see, we are using OEM material. As usual, the Mahle filter came with the crush washer and with the O-ring. So I will prepare the filter. We can remove the old one. You just need to push it, and the new one, it's just clicking in, like this. You see, there's no way to mess this up because you have this tab on the bottom. Now the O-ring, you just need to take it away and bring the new one. You can use a little bit of the old oil to lube it and install it to the recess where it belongs. And the new filter is ready to go in the car. Don't over tight the cover, it should be torqued to 25 Newton meters. As you can see, it's just a simple light snug because we have the O-ring and the O-ring will make the seal. If you over tight it, you can crack the filter compartment and then you will have a leak there. Now to drain the oil, we can access the drain plug just undoing this tab, pushing this small cover out, and then here you have the drain plug. This is a socket 17 that you need to undo. Now let it drain totally. In the meantime, we can replace the crush washer, and it is simple. Simply taking the old one and put the new one that came with the filter. The oil is drained, so we can now refit the drain plug. Just clean the area with some brake cleaner, and now we can torque the drain plug. The torque setting for this is also 25 Newton meters. The diesel filter, it lives right here behind this cover, so we need to remove all the bolts and take this plastic cover. This is the standard BMW fuel filter system, where you have the bracket here with a socket 13 that you can lose the bracket. Then you have this tab that you need to push in order to pry out this connector, and in here you have the green tab that you need to remove, and then you should have a white one that you need to press. Just remove this clip. This one will be ready to push out. We need to take the green clip. You can take it all the way off. You see, you have these two tabs that you need to open and push it down. Be careful not to break it. And of course, see the position. The inner tab goes towards the filter. Now you have a tab on top. In this case it's green, usually it's white. Place some kind of container below and we can push it here in the front. The bracket will split in two. In here, you see, goes in and close. Be careful here in the rear, pushing this out. See, when you open here, it will let go some diesel from inside. Be careful, otherwise you will get diesel everywhere. Pay attention to one thing. You will have a seal here inside, like a rubber one. The new one will have it, and it will be loose on the box. Make sure that you put it in place. And let's bring the new one in. Here it is, the seal. You need to make sure that you put it here in place. You will have a recess here and a plastic tab in here and there, and of course they need to align. I was not paying attention to that, but that is important. Now refit the clip, the metallic one, in here, like this. In the front, you just need to click it here in place, and don't forget to refit also the green tab in there, like this, and this will lock it in place. You need to take this rubber from the old filter and refit it there. Open, take it, insert the rubber and close it again. Now it's properly done. And click, it's properly torqued. Just need to hold it. Now a good clean with brake cleaner, and we can refit the cover and the diesel filter is done. To finalize, I will fill the engine with oil. I will fill it to the level, of course. So 5 liters are in. Let's see the level. Okay, we are about to reach the maximum. I will let it run for a moment and then let it sit and check the level again. For the cabin filter, we have to remove the cover on the passenger side. We have two bolts, one in here and one in here. It's a socket 10. And now we can push down this trim. Let me now show you. Like this. Okay, you have these clips, this one, and this one. So you just need to push it here in the front. And don't forget that you have the light back there to disconnect. I will now push the trim out. You have some tabs, like simple, and disconnect here the light. Just like this, and you can take this trim away. Now you can see here the box where we put the filters. We have some bolts, one here and one here. They should be Torx T20, and we just need to take that cover and refit the cabin filter. With both bolts out, we can now take the cover and here it is, the filter. Let's now insert the new filter. I will insert it with the arrow for the air pointing to the front, and let's see how it goes. This is a really strange shape for the airbox, but it's what we have. With the filter in place, let's simply slide the cover in and refit the bolts. Now we need to refit this trim. Don't forget to connect the footwell light here and refit it in place and put the two bolts in. So after having the engine running, I checked the level. I forgot to film it, and it was a little bit on the low. It was on the middle of the dipstick. So I filled already more oil. I put around 600 mils more, and as you can see, we are now right on spot. So with the service ready, we need to refit the engine cover, and then we just need to go inside the car and reset the system, so the service it will be complete. When you switch on the ignition, we get the message for service. You can go to service, oil reset, search it automatically, it will auto detect. Here we have our car, 1 Series F20, 116D, efficient dynamic version, and 47 engine. Alright, everything done. The service, it was done. I really hope this video was useful to you, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and check also my social networks because I post regular updates between the videos. See you on the next one. Bye!